Okay, so now we're gonna stitch it on the sewing machine. So follow the step, pretty easy. So on the edge, what I usually do is I kind of fold it a little bit so it doesn't show on the outside. Stack it gently. Ta-da. So we're gonna be doing 2 stitch because usually this kind of stitch you need like a cover stitch machine to do this. It give you that double stitch, but this will do too. So let's use what we got. All right, so let's do this. Just gonna line it up correctly. It will end up being somewhat similar to cover stitch. Just have to gauge your stitch length. So what I'm doing is I'm gauging this line. So if you see this this two right here, I'm lining it up on the first stitch we did. So that way it will come out straight. It wouldn't be perfect, but I guarantee it will give you at least 95% straight. So you just have to iron that section to make sure it's lined up correctly. Once you paying attention to that section, it will come out straight. You don't have to worry about double checking to see if it's good or not. Okay, so as you can see, you can tell from everything it looked straight because we were following the steps of that first stitch right here. So it's able to come out straight. Then it looks somewhat like a cover stitch machine, but we get it done without cover stitch machine. All right, thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos and tips for sewing.